bird's name? Watch, listen and speak. Parrot. This is a parrot. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Owl. This is an owl. Crow. This is a crow. Duck. This is a duck. Eagle. This is an eagle. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Peacock. This is a peacock. Hen. This is a hen. Flamingo. This is a flamingo. Now read one by one. Parrot, crow, sparrow, duck, peacock, eagle, owl, pigeon, hen, flamingo. Like, share and subscribe for fun learning videos. Thank you. Bye bye.